everyone, welcome to Finance Wisdom. In this video, we're going to talk about minimalism and how it can be explained to beginners. If you are new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. In this video, we explore what minimalism is and isn't, and how it might help you live a more meaningful life. To be content, we must value our personal relationships as well as our experiences with others, as well as our own health and well-being. People in today's culture have been deceived into thinking that happiness is found in a lot of material possessions, and they believe that if they have more, they will be happier. But this isn't true. Minimalism frees you from the all-consuming pursuit of material possessions, and it enables you to appreciate what you already have. Living a simple life is trustworthy and unchangeable, so you can always rely on it. It also doesn't change based on what other people think or desire, making it open and honest. Minimalism provides you more time since it is consistent and unified. This lifestyle is easy to convert to any other circumstance. Time is a precious commodity that cannot be replaced. We only have a finite amount of time each day, so making the most of it by eliminating the things that don't matter and prioritizing the activities we enjoy will allow us to spend more time with the people we care about. No one has ever regretted the time they spent with their spouses, children, friends, or other family members. Minimalism is a stress reliever. You're driving home from work and your phone calls, you pick it up and hear a familiar voice asking if you'd like to catch up. It would be great if the person who left the jacket at your house could pick it up when you get home because they live an hour away. If this situation makes you panic, it should, because you usually spend 30 minutes cleaning before a company comes over, but now you only have 5 minutes. Maybe less minimalism is a lifestyle philosophy that can help you clean up quickly because you only need to pick up a few things, or maybe there is an easier way. While it may seem tough to get rid of the clutter in your house and your life, you can do it with some effort and with no additional stress. You'll be happier and less stressed if you clear out the clutter and simplify other aspects of your life. In our society, celebrities are admired because they are photographed for magazines, interviewed on the radio, and shown on television. And many people aspire to live like them because they are held up as ideal role models. However, the media does not promote those who live simple lives in the same way that it does those who live extravagant ones, and yet they are admired and envied. In order to appreciate life more, it encourages us to slow down and chew our meals more thoroughly. Here are a few myths regarding minimalism that we want to dispel. Some people think that being a minimalist means getting rid of everything except the bare essentials, but this isn't true. Minimalism actually makes life easier because you spend less time cleaning, looking for things, and maintaining your stuff. You also have more space to live and work after adopting a minimalist mindset. Frugality is all about being thrifty and looking for ways to save money, while minimalism is all about making more time for the things that matter by having fewer things. Minimalism has its own set of norms and criteria. The minimalist lifestyle is one that allows you to make your own rules, and you can modify them whenever you feel like it, depending on what you need at that time. It's an engaging and taxing experience that can spur the generation of fresh concepts. The rules of minimalism are there to guide you, but don't let them limit you. Figure out what works best for you and don't worry about anything else. Just remember that minimalism is about identifying what you value most and getting rid of anything that doesn't fit into those values. Minimalism is about finding what works for you and making your life simpler and easier. And that's about our video about minimalism. Which of this intrigues you? Let us know in the comments below. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Never miss any posts from us again by giving us a like and subscribing to our channel.